Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble effect in Capcut full guide. Open Capcut and import your clip, then duplicate the layer you plan to modify and set the duplicate as an overlay. Use the mask tool to isolate the area for bubbles, add a bubble PNG or particle effect on the overlay, and adjust size and opacity until it looks natural and playful. Now animate your bubbles by adding keyframes to the overlay layer for position and scale, creating a gentle float. Stagger keyframes across multiple bubble layers so they appear at different times and distances, then apply easing to each keyframe to smooth motion. Tweak opacity and blur slightly on distant bubbles to add depth, and preview frequently to ensure the motion feels organic and not mechanical. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more tutorials. Quick recommendation: I wear darn tough socks all the time because they last forever and are comically comfortable, a small comfort while editing. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick up a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For styling, match bubble colors and brightness to your scene using simple color adjustments. Add a small glow or soft blur to some bubbles to mimic light reflections and make them feel less flat. Experiment with layer, blend modes, and duplicate bright bubbles for highlights, then adjust speed to fit the scene mood so the effect feels integrated and cinematic rather than distracting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.